Alright, tornadoes, or warning, clouds have moved northbound pretty freaking fast. But it's still turning up there. We'll go back in here soon. It's just pretty crazy. Everywhere. Something everywhere. You hear the cedars. There's the cedar up there. Let's see the clouds here. Jeez. It's pretty humid here. Pretty humid. Clouds are moving pretty quick here. My family's inside safe. That's the important part. There's a little bird watching everything. Yes, I know. Man, I've never seen this much cloud move this fast. That's ridiculous. This is pretty scary stuff, guys. Yet I'm outside doing it. Why am I doing it? I don't know. Thursday night. Pretty still. Storm here. The rain's let up a bit. The wind's let up. Blue sky around us. Pretty scary. Tornadoes have touched down already in east of Sundre and west of Innisfail, apparently. It's supposed to be coming this way, so this thing's moving pretty friggin' quick, actually. Why bolt? It's because there's a reason for it. Once a newsie, always a newsie, I guess. nobody gets hurt in this storm. West of here looks pretty bad actually. This is where it's going, northwest. Moving. Moved pretty quick actually. And it's dark though, it's dark. Pounding somewhere though.